Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to talk about something that could be a game changer, especially for anyone looking to break into YouTube and grab those elusive page one rankings. So, if you've ever thought, I'd love to be on YouTube, but SEO is too much work, or creating videos takes too long, then stick around because TubeDominator might be exactly what you need. Now, I know it sounds like a big promise. Any niche, any keyword, and TubeDominator claims it can help you rank on YouTube's front page, even if you're a complete beginner. It's an AI-powered tool that takes the heavy lifting out of creating, optimizing, and ranking videos, allowing you to get discovered without endless hours of work. I was definitely skeptical at first. I mean, we've all seen tools that promise a lot and don't quite deliver. But TubeDominator has some unique features that really set it apart. When you first dive in, the tool claims you can pick any keyword, any niche, and within minutes start seeing results. That sounds almost too good to be true, but here's where it gets interesting. TubeDominator doesn't just automate one part of the process, it automates nearly everything. It's a full AI system that takes your input, a keyword, niche, or even a URL, and starts crafting everything from script ideas to thumbnail designs, tags, and even SEO optimization. Basically, it's like having a mini production and SEO team working for you. One thing that stood out to me about TubeDominator is the way it approaches YouTube's algorithm. We all know how hard it is to crack YouTube's ever-changing rules, but this tool is actually built to adapt to those algorithm updates in real time. TubeDominator uses what it calls ASE technology, an algorithm adapting system that ensures your videos stay relevant and optimized as trends and SEO requirements change. In other words, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's designed to keep adjusting and evolving with YouTube. Once you give TubeDominator a keyword or URL, the AI kicks in and starts crafting everything you'll need for a fully optimized video. Then, it shows you what it's created, and here's the cool part. You get to review it all. Want to tweak the script a bit or change the thumbnail? No problem. The AI is doing most of the work, but you're still in control. So even if you don't like certain elements, you can change them before anything goes live. That flexibility is great, especially if you want to maintain a personal touch. After you've reviewed everything and are ready to go, TubeDominator takes care of publishing and optimizing. It's set up to get you results without the hassle of doing traditional SEO work yourself. And for anyone who's been on YouTube, you know how time-consuming it can be to keep up with all those SEO details. It feels like you need a full-time team just to stay competitive. But with TubeDominator, you're using AI to bypass a lot of that work, and it's all white hat, meaning it's compliant with YouTube and Google's guidelines. And here's something really cool if you're looking to monetize further. TubeDominator comes with an optional commercial license, so you can actually sell SEO services. Imagine being able to help local businesses or even freelance clients rank their videos, all while using this AI tool to get faster results. This opens up a whole new revenue stream, especially if you're already on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You could charge less than the big SEO companies and still deliver results quickly because the AI is handling most of the workload. It's honestly a win-win. If you're still unsure, TubeDominator also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can test the waters and see if it's really going to deliver on those promises without feeling locked in. They're pretty confident in their product, which says a lot. Plus, there are a few bonuses and special pricing if you're quick to sign up, so it's worth checking out. In the end, if you're serious about growing on YouTube but don't have the time, resources, or maybe even the desire to learn all the ins and outs of SEO and video creation, TubeDominator might be just what you need. It's like having a behind-the-scenes team of experts, but powered by AI, ready to get you noticed. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and exploring TubeDominator. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you're thinking about giving TubeDominator a shot. Catch you all in the next video.